How to download free ringtones on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download free ringtones on your iPhone. Now, this is a really long process and it's quite simple if you keep doing it. So first you will need to get a ringtone. Now you can download a video with the music or you can download a TikTok, whichever you feel is easy, you can do that. Now, after you do that, what you'll need to do is simply extract the audio from that video. Now, after you extract the audio, make sure that you save it in your Files app. After you do that, what the only step remaining is heading over to your GarageBand. Head over to your GarageBand, and after you're on your GarageBand, simply import the video or the audio that you recorded. Create a new project by tapping on the plus on the top right corner. Simply select the audio recorder and head over to the layout feature from this brick icon on the top left. Now you will be here and all you now need to do is import the audio from here. You will see this loop. Simply tap on it and just head over to the files and long press on audio and drop it down here. Now what you'll need to do after you do this is just you can edit it. You can choose the length of your ringtone and the whichever part you want, and after you do that, simply tap on the drop down on the top left, head over to my songs. Now you've just saved this. Now long press on this and then tap on the share icon on the top right. After you tap on share, you'll get the ringtone option. Tap on ringtone, tap on export and use sound as. After you do that, you can simply save this and you can use it whenever you want. So there are three major steps in this process. First is downloading a ringtone. Now to download ringtone, you can either use any videos from YouTube or TikTok. You can simply download a clip, and after you do that, the second step is extracting the audio. For that, you can use any app that you normally use. I normally use CapCut to extract the audio and download the MP3. And after doing that, you will need to head over to GarageBand and do what I said earlier. And that is how you can get free ringtones on iPhone. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more and bye bye.